as a balloon shoots up through the stony ground. There's no room, no space to rent in this town. It's a beautiful day. Sky falls, you feel like it's a beautiful day. To let it get away. Beautiful day. To let it get away. On the road. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you.
It's such a privilege to have been here today, particularly to see the joy and excitement of all those who have taken part. We hope that they've had a fun, exciting and above all memorable day.
They started the day feeling a little bit anxious. We took them up in a flight and they were immediately peering out of the windows.
I know that they're kids who don't have a lot of joy in their lives, and just being able to take them out and share with them what I love is just a great day. I love it.
Callum was born with a heart defect and has had 3 open heart surgeries and is due one in the coming weeks. So this is an amazing opportunity to just have some precious family time together, doing things that we'd never have the opportunity to do normally. So everybody's having a great time.
And it was brilliant. I just come every day.